It's in gear.
Forward?
In gear. Okay.
Alright, we're getting off the dock here.
You are clear.
We're clear?
You are clear.
Alright, so we're gonna steer out to the outside of this island here.
Go to the other side of the island? Yeah.
Outside, right? Head towards this ISW marker. Alright, we're off the dock.
Entrance to Port Royal Sound in Charleston is 57 nautical miles. Okay? At 7 knots, that's 8 hours.
Alright.
Okay? You have about 2 hours to get out to the Sound and about an hour to come back into Charleston. So total transit time would be 11 hours. So if we leave at 7, we get in at 6. Let's just give ourselves an extra hour for fudge factor so we get in at 7. An hour before dark. So, the same as yesterday, as far as time out there. Yeah. So if you want to round up, you'd say it's a 12-hour day. Between an 11 and a 12-hour day. Okay, leaving now. Conditions look really good. It looks like it'd be a good sail. The wind's from the right direction. The wind speed is good. My big reservation is at 4 o'clock. We're supposed to get bad weather. It's going to be thunderstorms and squall. Miraculously. And wind up to 25, building to 30. It's going to deteriorate. It has just been overnight. We could squeak in, but I don't know about squeaking in if bad weather's going to show up before.
No, we don't want to do that.
It's a rainy day today. We're on the inside up in Charleston. We're deciding if we should go on the offshore route or not. We're just trying to stay on the inside because offshore right now it's about 30 knots and the wave's about 4 to 5 feet, so it's a bit much to be going offshore yet. But here's the setup. We have the steering wheel right here. We have this terrific navigation system that has a huge delay on it because we're just passing the harbor now. It's not even showing us passing it yet. Then we have our larger system. We can see ahead of us further. We also have this, which is really cool. My friend made this, and this shows what side of the channel to put these markers on. So you see that green marker we just passed, we need to put on our starboard side. Now we can flip this around if we change on our course for different parts of the channel. With the ICW signs, this markers get switched around. So this, we can set this up so we know which way to put the markers each time. We have our autopilot, which is not working, always terrific. And then we have our throttle and our engine information system with our RPMs, water, oil, and engine hours. Just got docked in Charleston, so now we're going to head over to downtown by bike. This area over here is a field we used to go to, but it's now been sold off to development. That dock right over there, with our old boat Dom Patrol, and it was a pretty nice place. We had the Maritime Museum down that way. And downtown Charleston is pretty close with this nice field.
really dope about traveling a lot is that you go to places and it starts reminding you of a lot of places. So this area right here, which is an aquarium over here, reminds me a lot of the Monterey Bay Aquarium in California. We're walking down the historic King Street, so it's been around for 300 years, and all the architecture and buildings here are all 300 years old. So there's quite a lot of history and rich culture in this area. Originally named after King James, when it was first discovered by the British, it stayed around for over 300 years. Most of the buildings are still standing today.
Except this one right here didn't exactly pass the test of time.
Original architecture, and they've all been renovated into newer construction, except right now there's no one really around. Most of the time it's a very bustling area.